Hi guys, and welcome. This is me, JV Rose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing? And welcome to another episode, another vlog, another time where I come in front of you to talk to you about food, music, healthy lifestyle, and also what I'm getting up to in my world. Now, I thought I would come to you and just talk to you and just share with you why. Why do I come every Sunday? Why am I sharing my healthy vegan food to you? And why do I let my kids come running in and disturbing my videos? We have an injury. What happened? Oh, playing on the trampoline. All right, baby boy, how you feeling? Well, guys, listen, I'm all about you and helping you get to the point where anytime you think about, what am I going to eat today? I want to eat a little bit healthy. Maybe I want to do a bit of a plant-based meal. You can come here on this channel and you will find lots of recipe ideas, often with a Caribbean slant because my parents are from Jamaica and I love cooking food. Now, I got all this cooking food thing from my mum. My mum was a great cook. She loved to bake as well. So she taught me how to cook bun, bread, patties, and all that sort of stuff when I was younger, and lots of cake as well. I should actually be as big as this, really, the amount of food my mum used to feed us as kids. However, now that I'm grown and I decided to become vegan, I am here to offer you a vegan alternative to all the foods that you and I both love. Why? Because, well, as I walk through my life as a singer and as a mum and as somebody who works in the community, I teach singing and I work with different groups of people. I run choirs and singing groups with women in prisons. I work with young people. I work with special needs people. And as I go through my life, people ask me questions like, oh my God, JB, I want to do this healthy lifestyle thing, maybe go a little bit plant-based, but how? Where do I start? Well, that is the reason why I started this channel, so you can get some lovely vegan ideas off of this channel. I'm here for you, so whatever you want, I will serve you. So guys, the next couple of months, I've got a few exciting projects to release to you, because as I go back to that whole thing about people asking me questions around how to sustain a plant-based diet, how to make something out of nothing when there's nothing in the cupboards. Well, I've got to tell you, a vegan lifestyle is the best. If you only got a few beans in your cupboard, if you've got some onions and some garlic, curry it up, you can make something with it and it will be nutritious. You'll get all the protein that you need and all the other vitamins, especially if you eat the rainbow. So if you watch any of my videos, I always talk about eat the rainbow. So when you have a plate of food, make sure you've got all the colors of the rainbow on your plate, and guess what? You'll be getting everything that you need. Lots and lots of water, exercise, and of course mindfulness. Now that is a little clue. The next few months, I'm going to be adding to this lifestyle channel some musical R&B mantras. Is coming real soon, so listen out, look out for it, guys. These music mantras, which will be coming very soon, is again an answer to your question, which is, listen, when I want to focus, or when I'm procrastinating, or when I'm feeling down about myself, what do I do to kind of pull myself out of it? What I'll be sharing with you very soon is a process of how you can get yourself out of that rut, get you moving when you're procrastinating, but get you feeling good about yourself. But more of that if you follow this channel. Now, before I carry on, did I say like and subscribe? I don't think I did. I started chatting on and I forgot to say, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and comment, because YouTube love it when you comment. This is the place, man. You need to be here, you get me? Come here, stay here. I've got everything for you. Of course, there's music. I'm a soul singer. Yes, I'm a singer. Also, find my music videos. I love singing. If you stick with me here on this channel, there's going to be loads and loads of other opportunities for you to be inspired, to eat well, to look after yourself, and to love yourself. yourself. And often the world puts so much obstacles in our way that it's very difficult for us to see the wood for the trees. Listen, I hope I can inspire you. I hope I continue to give you lots and lots of ideas, physically and spiritually. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. I will see you next time for healthy vegan and lifestyle options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl. See you next time. Watch your portion sizes as well, so not too much big dinner.